Hey students, in this video I'm explaining another rational application question. The members of a club planned a field trip and the cost was $900, which was to be divided equally among members. At the last minute, 5 people were unable to go, so each of the others had to pay $6 extra or $6 more than originally planned. How many people went on the field trip? Let's define the variable. So and we know how many people went on the field trip, we can assume this quantity as x. So let x be the number of people went on the field trip. Okay, so obviously x plus 5, because 5 people canceled their plans at the last moment, so x plus 5 would be the number of people originally planned for the field trip, originally planned. Okay, so based on the original plan, we know the total price was $900, and that was supposed to be divided by the number of people originally planned, which was x plus 5. We can just mention this. This amount is going to be the cost per person. Okay. To get the cost per person, in the original plan we had to divide 900 by x plus 5, and under the new plan, after 5 people dropped, new plan, the cost per person is going to be 900 over x. And just because of 5 people dropped, we know they had to pay $6 more than originally planned. So let's make this relation right here. This is going to be 900 over x. The original plan costs less, or the new plan costs more per person, so 900 over x plus 5 plus x. Okay. The new plan costs more, $6 more than the original plan. Okay, so let's look at the least common denominator. Least common denominator is going to be x times x plus 5 right here, x and x plus 5. And also we just need to look at the restrictions. So we know the restrictions are going to be x cannot be equal to 0, intersection x cannot be negative 5, and that obviously that wouldn't make any sense, because if we can have a 0 number of people or negative number of people, so that's taken care of. Okay, so now you need to multiply both sides of the rational equation by the least common denominator, which is x times x plus 5 is multiplied on both sides of the rational expression. Multiplied by x times x plus 5, and do the little math in here. When you multiply, the x is crossed out, you get 900 multiplied by x plus 5, that is equal to, we need to do the math in here, which is going to be 900 plus 6 times x plus 5, and that is divided by x plus 5. multiplied by the least common denominator, which is x times x plus 5. So when we rewrite it, okay, so when we reduce this, we cancel this out and multiply here, distribute, and this distribute over here, you get 900x plus 4500 equals 900x plus 6x squared plus 30x. So when you rewrite it, you get 6x squared plus 30x minus 4500, that is equal to 0, or reduced. You can just reduce or simplify both sides, or simplify the quadratics, which is x squared plus 5x minus 750 equal to 0, and that would be factorized into x plus 30, x minus 25. The two answers are x is equal to negative 30 and x is equal to positive 25. Since we can't accept any negative answer because of the number of people, so the answer is 25. So that means the number of people went on the field trip is 25.